Menopause is like a storm that hits your body and mind with wild swings, but the silent struggle with dry, wrinkled, and sensitive skin during the crisp autumn and winter months is often the forgotten hero of that chaos, and it's one that deserves our attention. While we tend to focus on the more talked-about symptoms like hot flushes, mood changes, night sweats, headaches, and aching joints, our skin is another vital part of the body that's deeply affected by hormonal shifts. This becomes even more challenging when the cooler seasons roll in, as menopause and chilly weather team up to create a perfect storm of discomfort. Imagine battling hormonal chaos just as the air turns drier and the wind starts stripping away moisture. It's a recipe for frustration that many women face. For those navigating perimenopause, menopause, or even postmenopause, it's common to see your skin reacting to these internal changes. Hormones play a huge role, and when they're out of balance, skincare routines can easily get pushed aside amid life's midlife upheavals. And this is a topic that's incredibly relevant right now, especially since October is Menopause Awareness Month, shining a spotlight on these everyday challenges. But here's where it gets interesting, and perhaps a bit controversial. Do we really pay enough attention to skincare as a key part of menopause support? Many might argue that it's just vanity, but ignoring it can impact self-confidence and overall well-being. What do you think? Is this an underrated aspect of menopause? Let's break down what exactly happens to the skin during menopause to make it clearer, especially for beginners. As you approach menopause, your body's estrogen levels, a powerful hormone mostly made by the ovaries, naturally start to drop. Estrogen acts like a messenger in your system, helping regulate various functions. When it declines, it sets off a series of changes in the skin, such as a drop in natural moisturizing elements, which leads to thinner, duller skin that's less elastic. Dr. Janine David, a GP and expert in women's health, explains it well. In perimenopause and menopause, the skin's water retention abilities weaken because lipid and ceramide levels decrease. This compromises the skin's protective barrier, causing dryness and heightened sensitivity. That's why boosting hydration and strengthening that barrier are crucial for keeping skin comfortable and tough. On top of that, slower blood flow during these hormonal shifts reduces the skin's cell renewal and repair processes. This chain reaction often results in more pronounced fine lines, wrinkles, sagging, dryness, dullness, uneven texture, and even age spots or pigmentation issues. It's like the skin's natural defenses are lowering just as it needs them most. And this is the part most people miss. The cold weather amplifies everything. As autumn arrives, lower temperatures and humidity suck the moisture out of your skin, causing dryness and irritation. Windy days act like thieves, stealing away hydration from your face, while indoor heating turns up the dehydration at a cellular level. Now, combine that with the skin troubles already brewing from menopause, and you have a relentless cycle that's hard to break. So how can we tackle this and soothe menopausal skin through autumn and winter? Beyond healthy lifestyle habits like eating a balanced diet full of nutrients, staying active, and prioritizing restful sleep, targeted skincare products can make a real difference. Whether you're dealing with tightness, dryness, sensitivity, breakouts, or a mix of these, there are options designed just for these midlife shifts. One standout range is the Hada Labo Tokyo Premium Collection, praised by beauty pros like celebrity makeup artist Bryony Blake. This Japanese brand created its premium line specifically for women over 40, considering how skin changes with age. Take the Hada Labo Tokyo Premium Lotion Intense Super Hydrator, for instance. It's packed with 7 different types of hyaluronic acid. For those new to this, hyaluronic acid is a natural substance that draws and holds water, helping to plump and hydrate the skin. These molecules can pull in up to 1,000 times their weight in water, and the nano-sized ones penetrate deeper layers for lasting moisture. Dr. Janine notes it's particularly helpful when dryness and sensitivity ramp up during menopause, especially in colder months. Then there's the Hada Labo Tokyo Premium Extreme Skin Regenerator Super Cream, meant for nighttime use. It also features those 7 hyaluronic acid varieties, working as a multi-action formula that combats wrinkles while you sleep and leaves your skin nourished and plump by morning. Dr. Janine advises layering products with various hyaluronic acids, adding emollients or ceramides to reinforce the barrier, and using gentle retinoids to support collagen can be highly effective for skin in midlife. For an extra hydration hit, try the Hada Labo Tokyo Premium Facial Sheet Masks with super hyaluronic acid. These provide a fast, intense moisture boost without risking irritation or sensitivity. After using one, your skin feels soft, supple, and radiant, ideal for those especially dry days when you need a quick pick-me-up. But here's the controversial twist. Some might debate whether we should rely on such specialized products or stick to simpler natural remedies. Are these creams and lotions overhyped, or are they essential tools for navigating menopause? And what about the environmental impact of buying beauty items? Does that factor into your choices? We'd love to hear your take. Do you swear by these types of products, or do you prefer DIY solutions? Have you noticed skin changes during menopause that these tips could address? Share your experiences, agreements, or disagreements in the comments. Let's discuss.